I bought and tested these cordless brad nailers so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. As someone who loves DIY projects and home repairs, I understand the importance of reliable tools. In this review, I'll take you through my honest experiences with the top 5 cordless brad nailers on the market today. Product number 1, Bielmeier Electric Staple Gun. I recently got my hands on the Bielmeier Electric Staple Gun, a 2-in-1 cordless brad nailer that boasts some impressive features. Let me tell you about my experience. Right out of the box, I was struck by how lightweight it is at just 1.6 pounds. This made it incredibly easy to maneuver, especially when I was working on some upholstery projects. The magazine holds up to 1,200 staples and 400 nails, and I found the loading process to be a breeze thanks to the quick release mechanism. I was able to tackle a variety of materials, from fabric to softwood, without any hiccups. The cordless design freed me from the constraints of a compressor, and I could take it anywhere. With a runtime of up to 850 staples per charge, I was impressed by how long I could keep working without needing a recharge. Now let's talk pros and cons. Pros include its lightweight design, ease of use, and versatility across different materials. The USB Type-C charging is super convenient, allowing a full charge in just 2 hours. However, I did notice that the safety features, while extensive, could be a bit cumbersome for someone who wants to work quickly. Overall, I believe this brad nailer is perfect for anyone looking for a reliable, user-friendly tool for home projects or light carpentry. If versatility and ease of use are what you're after, the Bielmeier is a solid choice. Product number 2, dewalt DCN680B 20V Max XR. The dewalt DCN680B is a powerhouse when it comes to cordless brad nailers. The first thing I noticed was its sturdy build, weighing in at nearly 4 pounds, which gives it a solid feel in your hands. The brushless motor is a standout feature. It maximizes runtime and durability, which is a must for anyone who uses tools regularly. I had the chance to test its micro nose, and I can confirm that it significantly improves the line of sight and accuracy of nail placement. This is crucial when working on intricate projects where precision is key. I also appreciated the tool-free depth adjustment, allowing me to countersink nails effortlessly. The LED lights are a game changer too. They illuminate my workspace and provide diagnostic information, making it easier to troubleshoot any issues. However, it does come with a higher price tag and it's tool only, meaning you'll need to invest in batteries separately. But if you're serious about your projects and want a reliable, professional-grade tool, the dewalt DCN680B is worth every penny. Product number 3, 1 and 18-volt cordless airstrike brad nailer. I stumbled upon the 1 and 18-volt cordless airstrike brad nailer, and boy was I surprised by its performance. It's relatively lightweight at 5.2 pounds, which made it easy to handle during extended use. One of the best features is its ability to drive nails without the need for gas or compressors, making it incredibly convenient for quick tasks. I loved how it fired nails consistently without misfires, which is a common issue with lesser models. However, I did notice that it doesn't have as many advanced features as some of the higher-end models, like tool-free depth adjustment or jam release. That being said, for the price, it's an excellent choice for DIY enthusiasts or anyone who needs a reliable brad nailer for occasional use. If you're looking for something functional without breaking the bank, the 1 and 18-volt cordless airstrike brad nailer is a solid pick. Product number 4, Craftsman V20 brad nailer. The Craftsman V20 brad nailer is a tool that caught my attention for its powerful motor and design. This cordless brad nailer drives up to 420 nails per charge, which is impressive for a tool of its size. I appreciated the fact that it eliminated the need for compressors, allowing me to work freely in different locations. The tool-free jam and stall settings make it user-friendly, especially when you're in the middle of a project. I found the balance and comfort of the tool to be optimal, reducing fatigue during longer jobs. However, the weight of the tool can be a downside for some users. If you're seeking a reliable, powerful brad nailer that can handle various materials and conditions, the Craftsman V20 is a fantastic choice. Product number 5, Cordless 2-inch broad nailer. I tested the cordless 2-inch broad nailer compatible with dewalt 20V batteries. This tool is incredibly versatile, driving a range of 18 GA broad nails and staples, which is perfect for different woodworking tasks. The adjustable nail depth was a game changer for me. It allowed me to set the nail depth according to the material I was working with. The ergonomic design made it comfortable to handle, and the built-in belt hook was a nice touch for easy storage while working. However, since it's battery-powered and does not come with a battery, you'll need to invest in one separately. If you already own dewalt batteries, this could be the perfect addition to your toolkit. It's an excellent option for anyone looking for versatility and ease of use in their projects. After testing these top 5 cordless brad nailers, I can confidently say that each one has its unique strengths. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, there's a tool here that can meet your needs. Choose wisely and happy nailing!